Hi, I'm Trey Jordan with Efficiency Heating and Cooling, and I'm here to talk to you today about how efficiency keeps our employees and customers safe when work is being performed in the home. A few of these items that we have that help us do that for our customers and our employees are small things like crawl suits to ensure that our employees aren't getting all that nastiness underneath homes on them and inside the customer's home. Gloves for handling sheet metal. Nobody wants to slice up their hands and not be able to use them after that. On the service side of things, we may need something as simple as a rubber glove. We handle a lot of caustic chemicals for cleaning coils and things of that nature on people's homes, as well as CO detectors for when we're doing tune-ups. We need to make sure that these heat exchangers are solid and that we don't have a CO hazard in the home. Now, when our installers are going to perform an install on a customer's home, it's very important before we get started that we shut off the gas properly and the electricity to the unit properly. And some of the tools we use to help ensure that's done is an electrical meter and combustible gas sniffer. On top of that, we always highly recommend that you have a professional do the installation or the repairs to ensure that those repairs or those installations are done to the factory specifications. It is very important to keep up with those factory specifications because there are a lot of moving parts and a lot of things that can cause damage or safety concerns like we were talking about. Leaks with combustible gas or direct shorts or bare wires, things of that nature. Here at Efficiency Heating and Cooling, we always strive to do everything according to factory specifications to ensure our customers and our employees are safe.